everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am sick again. Today we're gonna do another DIY video, but this time, because it's almost Christmas, it's gonna be kind of a gift DIY video. I thought this would be really fun. Some you can also make for yourself, but others are really meant as a gift. I'm really excited, so let's just get started. I will link them all down below so you can check them out as well on TikTok. So I have a few videos from this girl, but she makes amazing DIYs as gifts, and I love this one in particular because I'm obsessed with photography. I love taking photos. This one in particular, if you have any photo friends, they will love this, honestly. And even for friends who aren't really into photography, this is still really fun because of the photos and everything. But I love this, and it looks really good just as decor, and then sometimes you can just look at it and it's just really fun. Then the next one is a bit more Christmas related actually. The rest isn't per se Christmas related, but this one kind of is because she makes ornaments. You can do this with multiple things. She makes it with books, but you could also maybe make this with movies or artists, you know, anything you can print out, anything that there's pictures of. Oh, maybe even like the Marvel movies or something. That would be so fun. I really like it. Oh my god, this person is just a genius. I love this idea personally. I think it's so fun. This is the first video. I have another video with more ideas, but this is specifically just a playlist for reading. Basically, you just make a playlist and you make this little card that looks like a tape recorder thing, and I just really love this. Here's another video where she makes just a lot of them, and this is more for ideas as well, but you could, just like she did here, make just a whole bunch for someone who really has the same taste in music as you, or if you really know their taste in music, you can make just multiple albums for them, and that is really fun. Or even for like different times of the year. How do people come up with this? I want to be this creative. I really wish I was. This next one is kind of, it looks like she's gonna do with the thread through it, but she's not, I believe. But I really like this idea anyway. She like makes holes in the canvas, but she doesn't go through it. She just draws over it, which I think is really smart. I just think this is so cute, but you can really like make this for anyone. You can make this for someone in your family, just for family in general, or for a friend, or for your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. You can literally make this for anyone, and in so many different ways, and I just love this idea so much. If you have no clues yet, this is simple as well and cheap. Now this next one is more of a birthday gift, but people also have their birthdays in December. I do. By the time you're watching this, I'll be 20. How weird is that? I love this idea, and since it's more of a gift DIY video, I thought let's just put it in because I really like it. You can make this as big or as small as you want, and you can put in it whatever you want. This next one is also really fun. I really like it, but some of these, including this one, they make it so small, and I don't know why really, but I do really like it. And you can make this bigger if you want. Like for me, it's just a bit too small. Also, it's harder to make for me if it's really that small, and it's also fun if it's just a bit bigger. But I really like this idea, and it looks so good. Again, how do people come up with this ever? I don't even know, but I love this. I would love to make it, but I would also really love to get it because it's just so fun. I really like it. Oh my god, this next one is, I think, my favorite DIY I've ever seen, honestly. This isn't per se a gift DIY, but you can definitely make it as a gift. But 100% I'm gonna be making this because I am obsessed. If someone you know loves cats, has a cat, whatever, this is just, I don't even have words for it. I love it. I think this is so fun to do. I cannot stop watching this video. I love it so much. Okay, I have to stop watching it now. Here's the girl again. She's gonna make something else. So for this one, you do need a printer. You need to print out photos. But again, if you don't have a printer at home, there are multiple ways to get access to a printer. I used to print stuff out at school sometimes. My mom used to print stuff out at work for me. Since I didn't have a printer as well, I printed stuff at my boyfriend's house. You could also do it at a friend's house. My neighbors have printers, or maybe like a bookstore has a printer. Just a tip. Don't think too hard. Don't be afraid to ask. It's just a printer. But I thought this was fun. Oh my god, this one I really liked as well. Oh my god, how do you come up with this stuff? I really do, I don't get it, but this is so smart. Honestly, if I would get this, the person would need to tell me that it is actually a box with something inside, or else I wouldn't even know because it looks so good. This is just really fun. If you have something small, this is a fun way to make it even a little bit more interesting. It's in this little fun box and it just makes the present even more fun. I just thought this was genius. I really like it. This one I also really like, but again, small. It's just small, but I still like it. And again, you can make this in the size that you like. You don't have to do it really small. I just thought this was really fun. There are a lot of DIYs actually that have those little letters in them in some type of way, but I do think it's cute. This next one is again something from clay. It doesn't have to be a present per se, but I really liked it and I thought it was smart. You can definitely give this as a present, so I thought I'd just include it. But yeah, I just thought this was really smart. First I thought she was just gonna make them for eggs, you know, just to put eggs into it in the fridge. Using it as a jewelry tray is honestly so smart. I just really like this, and it's actually so simple if you think about it. I love this. I might even make this as well because I have too much jewelry. This next one is a little bit more complicated and it may take a little bit longer, but it's really not that hard, and basically you just need some paper, a printer to print out your photos. I don't really understand how the mechanism works of this, but I like the idea, and if you watch the video carefully a few times, I think you'll get it, and it won't actually be that hard. Again, with the photos, it's just really fun and you can always go through it, and it's just nice to have and to get. But you can make this in a lot of different ways too, with a lot of different colors, with a lot of different photos. You can make even photos on both sides, and it can be for any occasion. It's just really fun. Oh my god, this one I think is also one of my favorites from this video. This is so cool. I have no words. Again, again, photos, you do need a printer. I don't know what to say. This is so good and so fun. I know I would absolutely love this if I would get this. Like, that is so much fun. This would also just look so good as decoration, but it's also just really fun to look at it once in a while. This is so one of my favorites from this video. There she is again. This one is also really fun to do and also just looks really good, honestly. With the small tiny letters, it's all again really small, but that also contributes to the cuteness factor, but you could also make it a bit bigger. It's a really fun idea and it doesn't seem that hard to make, but this is just really fun. I really like it. I think this one is the tiniest in the bunch. I personally would make this a bit bigger, but honestly I could not leave it out because it just look at it. Oh my god. It is so adorable, but I would make it a little bit bigger if possible because I think it's just a little bit too small for my taste, but I don't mind. This next one also looks really good. This one's kind of a music related one again. I believe she makes a playlist for the other person and that is also just really fun, honestly. Like, if the other person is really into music and you kind of know their music taste, or you have a similar taste, then this is just a really fun idea. And of course, the way that she made it also looks really good. She's back again. I really like this one. I don't really get it yet, like how it works, but I thought if you do get it and you can make this, then this is just really fun, honestly. If I knew how this works, then I might make it myself, but I don't get it. I don't see it. Like, look at that. That looks so good. That was the last one already. It's been really fun to make this video again because I believe it's been a while since I did this, but okay. I hope this helped you. Maybe you can make something cute for your friend for Christmas or their birthday or whatever. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family. And I hope I will see you in my next video.